Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a updated brush routine. Well, cleaning brush routine. These aren't all my brushes. These are just the brushes that I've used so far on my beauty blenders. I want to try this new soap. It's called ZOTE or ZOTE. I'm not sure. I just picked this up at my local supermarket. I've been seeing this soap being used to wash beauty blenders, like, you know, your makeup brushes and beauty blenders for a while. I was trying to get the pink soap because I've been seeing the pink soap a lot, but I also saw a video on this particular one. I wanted to get the pink one because the pink one was cute, but I couldn't find it. So we're gonna just see if this is the truth. So we're gonna just head on to the bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click that notification button if you like videos like this. I have an old brush cleaning routine and I'm gonna link that down below. It's totally different. It's totally gonna be different from this one. So yeah, leg out. Use my brush cleaner. I got this from Elf, of course. This was about $10. It has a little bristles on it. It's really much better than using your hand, because at one point I was just using my hand to go like this with the brush and it was super annoying. My fingernails would be so brittle because I wear my real nails. I don't wear acrylics. So when my nails are painted, like, these are my real nails. So I don't like them being brittle or my fingers looking like prunes, dried up raisins. So this is perfectly good. These are for the big brushes, the small brushes, etc. So we're gonna just open up this soap. I'm not gonna tear the pack away because I gotta most likely put it back in here, or maybe put it in aluminum foil or something. I don't know. This is the soap. Okay. This is the soap. It's huge. The soap is like huge. Yeah. Try a big brush. This brush is super dirty. I used this 3 times, so you know it has like 3 things of freaking makeup in it. So we are going to try it out. So I use basically like warm water, not too cold, not too hot. So I'm gonna just do warm water. I just basically get the brush wet. I put this, it's a slit where you could just put your hand here to hold it. So I just get this wet. I saturate it and then I just go over it like this. Just getting it out. Okay, this is how my brush is looking now. I don't know, for some reason I think, right? When I first purchased this brush, I was told to make sure I clean this after each time. Hold on, I got water on the lens. Okay, I was told after each time to wash this brush. Obviously I forgot and I used it 3 times, and so it took more for me to get this clean. But for some reason it's a little bit of makeup here, but it's been like that for a while, so I'm not really paying attention to that. But it basically got the whole brush clean, so we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna use another bigger brush because I used this probably once, so I'm gonna try this one and see what's good. See what else is good. Okay, so this one took 2 seconds and this came out perfectly clean, so I'm sold. And it doesn't, the soap has a nice scent to it. Like, I would love to wash with it, no lie. But I'm not scrubbing no clothes on that bar. But you know what I mean. But it smells super good. And this got my brush super clean. So, I mean, I'm sold. And this bar was like $4 for $5. So they had like $1 each for this big bar. I will have this like probably forever. So I'm going to clean the rest of my brushes. And I'm going to show you how they look after. my brushes. At the end, I'm going to show you how clean they are. Now I'm going to start on with the beauty blenders. I could have sworn I had another beauty blender. I don't think I used that one. Anyway, so we're going to start with the beauty blenders. So I'm going to just put them here. We're going to see how good this soap get these beauty blenders clean. Because these beauty blenders are atrocious. So we're about to see right now. I'm going to start off with the lightest color. I'm going to start off with the nude. The nude is super dirty. This did pretty good because I had this beauty blender for a while, for a very long time. And look how clean this is. Boom, I'm sold. Okay guys, I am officially done with everything on my beauty blenders, all my dirty brushes. So now, so I won't get yelled at when my mother come home, let me just sanitize the sink, because y'all see it's makeup everywhere. I'm pretty sure she will appreciate this when she's watching this, that I'm gonna disinfect the sink because my mother doesn't like dirt. I don't want to hear her yelling, so I'll be right back. My brushes, they are super clean. Of course you can't see it with the black ones, but this is super clean. Like, they are bomb AF. They are, this ZOTE soap is approved by me. If you are like really skeptical about using a soap that's basically to wash clothes because of your face or whatever the case may be, I just suggest maybe, because before I was using this soap, before I used this soap today, I was using shea soap, shea butter soap with oats and stuff in it. It makes your brushes actually soft and stuff like that. So if you want to use something more natural, then that would be perfect. I was just, because I use shea soap on my face, and I was like, I don't want to use that soap on my face and my brushes, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I need another alternative. So I looked up that ZOTE soap and I saw that it cleaned someone else's brushes good. So I'm like, you know what, let me just buy this soap. And just so happened they had it in my freaking supermarket by my house. Usually it's like Walmart soap. It's sold in Walmart. So this brush is this soap is bomb. I cleaned this basically, I'm not gonna lie to you, like in 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes. If I wasn't filming, it would have been like probably 20 minutes because I don't have that many brushes. I have more brushes, but these are just the ones that have been used more. So yeah, if you like videos like this and, you know, DIYs, more DIYs, just let me know in the comments below. If you want me to try any other cleaners, just let me know, because you have to clean your brushes if you don't want pimples. You know your brushes hold a lot of bacteria from your face, from the makeup you use, etc. So I really suggest everyone clean your brushes. I know sometimes it's annoying because you don't feel like cleaning them, just standing there. I play music, so it kind of motivates me to hurry up and clean. Not hurry up, but you know, get a flow going. So maybe if you play music or whatever, then yeah, maybe watching a movie or, you know, listening to a book, whatever the case may be, but make sure you clean your brushes. I promise you, best results. And when your brushes are clean, your makeup goes on better. Trust me when I tell you. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment something nice down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Laters.